Buying an iPhone could be a fantastic decision, but there are some essential tips you should know to make sure it's the right choice for you. While iPhones are renowned for their luxury and an array of incredible features that enhance your digital life, there are key insights that, if overlooked, can prevent you from maximizing your device's potential, starting with the keyboard. Whether you're texting or searching the web, typing is at the core of most tasks on your smartphone. It's funny how people often focus on things like camera quality, but overlook the importance of typing power for iPhone users. But don't worry, I'm here to help. Let's dive into some amazing typing tricks that will supercharge your iPhone experience. Trust me, you're about to discover something you never knew you needed. So, let's get started. Text shortcuts. Let's kick things off with a fantastic tip for everyone looking to save time and make their typing more efficient. Trust me, you can achieve this with a handy yet often overlooked feature: text shortcuts. Here's how to do it in a friendly and straightforward manner. Begin by navigating to your iPhone's settings, then select General and tap on Keyboard. Look for Text Replacement, where you can tap the plus sign to add a new shortcut. Input your desired phrase, the text you want to replace, and assign a shortcut, an abbreviation, or trigger. Save, and there you have it. Now, whenever you type the shortcut, it will automatically be replaced with the corresponding phrase. This simple adjustment can make a big difference, saving you from the hassle of repetitive typing. Give it a try, and you'll probably wonder how you manage without it. Quick Path Mastery. Another really mind-blowing iPhone hack that I bet most of you aren't aware of, but you'll definitely thank me once you know about it. It's all about Quick Path, Apple's swipe typing feature that makes typing on your iPhone efficient and enjoyable. To access Quick Path settings, just open your settings, go to General, and then tap on Keyboard. In the keyboard settings, look for Slide to Type. That's where you can take control of Quick Path. Enabling or disabling Quick Path is as easy as a single tap, and this small adjustment can have a significant impact on your typing experience. Whether you're already a Quick Path pro or thinking about giving it a try, these settings let you customize the feature to match your typing style. So, dive into your settings and enjoy faster and smoother typing by swiping with Quick Path. Optimizing iPhone keyboard. Did you know you can optimize your iPhone keyboard with a few simple tweaks? Here's how. First, have you ever tried landscape mode? It enlarges your keyboard, making typing quicker and more comfortable. Just turn your phone sideways to give it a go. To make your keys uppercase, just go to Settings, then Accessibility, and switch off Show Lowercase Keys under Keyboards. Want your keyboard to stand out more? Consider enabling bold text. It's originally for folks with vision impairments, but it gives your keys and fonts a bit more oomph. To give it a shot, head to Settings, then Display and Brightness, and switch on Bold Text. These changes might seem small, but they can really jazz up your typing and make things easier on the eyes. Ease. Using one-handed keyboards. Another tip for improving your keyboard experience is to use the one-handed option, which can help you concentrate better on your screen. It's a convenient alternative to the split keyboard on the iPad. To turn it on, just go to Settings, then General, and tap on Keyboard. From there, select one-handed keyboard and choose whether you want it on the right or left side. If you want to switch back to the standard keyboard, simply tap the button. For future one-handed typing, just press and hold the globe icon on the corner of the keyboard, then select the left or right-handed keyboard option. This feature is perfect for typing on the go, providing a customized solution for using your phone with just one hand and making your mobile typing experience a breeze. Swift text hack. Next on my list is addressing a common issue that quick typists often encounter: the need to retype words from images into messages or documents. I've been there many times myself, and let's be honest, rewriting a whole bunch of text can feel like tackling a mountain of chores, right? Well, fear not, my fellow procrastinators. The iPhone comes to our rescue with a nifty keyboard hack that simplifies the process of moving text. Here's how it works. Once you've identified the text you want to relocate, just touch and hold it until it lifts up. Now, the fun part, you can effortlessly drag it to wherever you desire. If you're engaged in a lively conversation on WhatsApp or Instagram, keep an eye out for that little plus icon in the chat and drop the text right there. Trust me, that plus icon is your new best friend. This simple yet effective trick can significantly boost your editing efficiency, making the task of rearranging text within your documents a breeze. Give it a shot and revel in a faster and smoother way to maneuver and edit text on your device. Voice-driven text. However, what if you could ditch typing altogether and let your iPhone take the lead with just your voice? Believe it or not, you can unlock the full potential of your iPhone keyboard through dictation, making it super easy to switch between typing and speaking. Since iOS 17, you can keep your keyboard active while expressing yourself with your voice. Just tap the microphone icon, speak your thoughts, and effortlessly see your words appear on the screen. Stop the magic with a quick tap when you're done. And here's the fun part. Dictation isn't just for plain text, it's a nifty shortcut to easily add emojis too. Just say the emoji name like laptop or camera, and watch it seamlessly appear. This game-changing feature creates a smooth blend of typing and dictation, enhancing your overall iPhone typing experience. Give it a try and uncover a hidden gem that boosts your efficiency. Swapping keyboards. If you're someone dealing with multilingual interactions, I understand how challenging it can be to switch between different language keyboards. But fear not. Optimizing your keyboard experience, especially with multiple language options, is easier than you think. Instead of navigating through settings each time, you can manage your keyboards directly from the currently selected one. Just tap the globe icon to effortlessly switch to the next keyboard in your list. To explore the entire collection, simply tap and hold the globe icon and then select your preferred keyboard. It's a quick and efficient way to toggle between keyboards without delving into your device settings. Plus, if you want to add more languages to your keyboard, you'll find the setting options after holding the globe icon. Give it a try and enjoy seamless language switching, because of course no one can stop you from using any language. Undo, redo text mastery. But when it comes to making mistakes, we can't always avoid it either. However, iPhone can help you make the correction part easier and enjoyable. So, here it is. Correcting mistakes on your iPhone keyboard gets a stylish upgrade with some tricks. Firstly, there's the Shake to Undo Redo feature in accessibility settings. Shake your iPhone to undo or redo, which is versatile for both typed and copied text. Enable it in Settings, Accessibility, Touch, and toggle on Shake to Undo. For a more discreet option, try the double tap with 3 fingers trick. Tap twice with 3 fingers for an undo or redo menu. Lastly, embrace the 3-finger swipe gesture. Swipe left for undo and right for redo. Stay informed with the sign at the top. These keyboard tricks add flair and efficiency to text editing on your iPhone. Try them for an enhanced typing experience. Quick emoji search. Next up, I'd like you to get ready to master the art of emojis with these quick keyboard tricks. To find the perfect emoji swiftly, write your message, tap the emoji icon, and see the words that have the potential to be an emoji, highlighted in yellow color, and check the emojis. And not only that, you can also drag an emoji and fit it on a message, and even replace a word with an emoji. Note that this feature works best in iMessage. If Memoji and Animoji aren't your thing, declutter the emoji keyboard by disabling them. In Settings, go to General, Keyboard, and toggle off Memoji stickers. Now enjoy expressing yourself seamlessly and distraction-free. Manage domain extensions. I know how much of a hassle it can be to type out those pesky suffixes, especially when you're constantly browsing or sending emails on your iPhone. But guess what? There's a neat little trick to boost your typing speed and make your life easier. Ever heard of the hostname or domain predictor? It's one of those hidden gems in the iPhone keyboard. When you're typing an email address, instead of struggling with those suffixes, just press and hold the period key. Voila! Instantly, popular suffix options like .com, .org, or .edu will pop up. All you have to do is slide up to select the right one, and you're all set. Now, I'll admit, this trick might not work everywhere, but it's a real game changer in browser apps like Safari and Chrome. So why not give it a shot? Save yourself some time and frustration by streamlining your typing experience on your iPhone. You'll thank me later. Explore dictionary meanings. However, discovering hidden meanings in text on your iPhone is as fun as finding hidden emoticons. The iPhone is not just a game changer for no reason. Simply hold down on any text you see on your screen and choose Look Up to instantly access the built-in dictionary definition, as shown in the screenshot. If you want more in-depth information, select Search Web to explore answers on Google. Trackpad Magic. Well, text editing can sometimes feel like a real challenge, especially when those cursors just won't cooperate. But no worries, I've got a super quick fix for you. Here's a fantastic trick. Turn your keyboard into a trackpad by simply tapping and holding the spacebar. Glide the cursor smoothly to wherever you want without lifting your finger, and when you release it, your keyboard goes back to normal. This awesome little trick gives you precise control, making those frustrating cursor mishaps a thing of the past. It's a simple move that makes refining messages and fixing errors a breeze. Give it a try and see how it can totally change the way you navigate and edit text on your iPhone. It's one of those hidden gems that can seriously level up your typing and editing game. In the end, grasping the ins and outs of an iPhone keyboard isn't rocket science, but these tricks can definitely make the task even more straightforward. Our aim is to assist you in becoming more efficient at typing and enhance your overall experience. We hope this video has been helpful in achieving that goal. If you're eager to become a laptop expert as well, check out our video that delves into all the customization options for your new laptop. It'll be your ultimate guide. Feel free to share any questions or hidden keyboard tricks you may have in the comments section.